Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. We're making an amazing soup today, so let's get started. In 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add 1 medium onion, 2 sticks of celery and 1 carrot, along with 1 package of Malaise Italian sausage. Sauté vegetables and meat well before adding 1 medium sweet potato. Next are spices. We're going with 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of curry, half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, and half a teaspoon of powdered ginger, as well as a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now we will allow vegetables, meat, and spices to simmer for about 10 minutes on a medium heat. 10 to 15 minutes into cooking, we are going to add some chicken broth. We are using 1 quart of chicken broth, but at this time we are only adding enough moisture so that these vegetables can continue to simmer. Next is cabbage, and we are going with half a head of fresh cabbage, chopped into big pieces. Alright, we're going to bring cabbage to the pot and allow cabbage to simmer with the rest of the vegetables and meat for additional 10 to 15 minutes. While this is simmering on the stove, we are running to the garden to pick up some fresh herbs. So we got some mint, we got a little bit of thyme, and we also have some oregano. All of these herbs will be a great addition to this dish. This smells so good already. So the next step is adding a teaspoon of salt and pouring the rest of the chicken broth over the vegetables. After that, we're going to add 1 can of coconut milk. We're going back on a medium-high fire for about 10 to 15 minutes and adding a tablespoon of fish sauce, a little bit of sriracha, and a teaspoon of palm sugar. And just before the soup is done, we're going to add about 15 chopped mushrooms and 1 zucchini. Again, these are added towards the end, and we want to cook them only for about 5 minutes.
We're going to finish this dish with fresh herbs. Now, when it comes to fresh herbs, you can pick and choose whatever you like. We're going with a little bit of fresh thyme, a little bit of fresh oregano, a whole lot of cilantro, and basil. So again, you don't have to use any of these herbs, or you can just use basil and cilantro, or you can explore as much as you like. Now that we have herbs in, we don't want to overcook them. We're just gonna submerge them and cover the pot and let it rest for the next 15 to 20 minutes. And there it is. Our soup is done.
Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and if you like it, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Also, check out my charitable organization called Vlada Seeds of Life, whose mission is to reconnect families and communities and bring them back to dining table.